Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, we're gonna go over how to connect and transfer files to Dropbox from Windows. Dropbox is one of the biggest cloud storage solutions on the market. As somebody who has to manage tons of files daily, Dropbox has made it so much easier and has saved me so much local space on my laptop. The best way that I've found that easily allows you to add Dropbox to File Explorer on your Windows device is with an app called CloudMounter. If you like to save some money, go ahead and use the discount code in the description below. While you're down there, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and tutorials. As much as I love Dropbox, I found a lot of friction when trying to simply view my data and organize files directly from my laptop. Again, I'm a huge fan of Dropbox, but since I use it so much, I've noticed a lot of quirks that personally made me look at other options from time to time. Dropbox does not have internal encryption to secure your files. Another issue is that with the free version, you're limited to signing into only 3 devices at a time. If, for example, you had a work laptop, a home device, an iPhone, for example, and then on top of that, you have a tablet, which one would you sign into? And then with the free and the paid version, you have a limit on the number of accounts that you can sign into at once. Let me tell you, I run a photography business, and being limited like this makes it a bit harder to get things done with a quick turnaround time. That's why the solution is to manage Dropbox from Windows, and this unlocks a bunch of neat features. CloudMounter basically turns your cloud storage into something that feels built right into your computer, and it kind of makes it feel a lot more integrated with your workflow. Let's show you how to move files from Dropbox to PC. Just head over to their website, download the installer, and click yes when prompted. Setup only takes a couple of minutes, and then you'll see the app on your desktop. What makes CloudMounter so useful is how it cuts out the little annoyances with Dropbox. I would say that it feels a little more like another drive on your PC, no extra steps. You can even transfer files between different cloud platforms, which is huge if you're juggling more than one. And because the files stay in the cloud until you actually need them, you're not chewing through all of your precious hard drive space, which comes at a premium sometimes. And that's not all. CloudMounter gives you a couple of extra tools that Dropbox alone does not. You can connect multiple accounts at the same time, which is perfect if you keep work and personal stuff a little bit separate. You can also encrypt specific folders by right-clicking, choosing Show More Options, and hitting Encrypt. What that does is lock your files behind a password that only you know, and it's secured even if someone else gets access to your Dropbox. All of this combined makes CloudMounter the easiest way to move files from Dropbox to PC. Let me quickly show you how to set it up. It's really easy. Open CloudMounter from your desktop, and you'll see a list of supported services. Click Dropbox, sign in with your account, and you're good to go. Once it's connected, open up File Explorer, and you'll see Dropbox listed on the left-hand side like it's a local drive. From there, you can drag and drop folders, copy files, or paste them whenever you need. It's basically as easy as moving stuff around on your actual hard drive. So in this video, we've shown you how to move files from Dropbox to Windows PC. Honestly, using Dropbox like this feels way more smoother, safer, and a lot less stressful. If you want to try it out, go ahead and download CloudMounter today and use the discount code for 15% off. I'll see you in the next one.